Today's topic is functions in PLSQL. What are functions? Functions are named PLSQL blocks that perform some specific tasks. As it is a named block, so we can store any function in a database and reuse it, whenever required, by using the function name. Types of functions. There are two types of functions in PLSQL. One is predefined functions, and the other is user-defined functions. Predefined functions, as the name suggests, are already defined in PLSQL by Oracle, whereas user-defined functions are those which has to be defined by the users. Any type of function can be called by the function name, and the parameters within brackets, if there are any. If there are no parameters, then the brackets will be empty. This is the syntax of user-defined function. It has two parts. First is the function header, or function signature. It contains the function name, parameters, and return type. And the second part is the function body. It consists of the operations and executable statements. In other words, the task to be performed by the function is written inside the function body. Now let's discuss the keywords of the syntax one by one. The first keyword of the syntax is create or replace. This means, if there is any existing function in the database, with the same name as that of the function we are going to create, then the new function will replace the old one. Otherwise, it will create a new function with the given name. Next is the function keyword, which tells the compiler that we are going to create a function. It is followed by the name of the function, along with the parameters within the brackets, if there are any. If there are no parameters, then there will be only the function name, and no brackets. Next we have to specify what the function will return, using the return keyword. The return keyword is followed by the data type the function will return. After the function header, comes the function body. The keyword is denotes the ending of the function header, and beginning of the function body. If we want to declare some variables, or constants, then it is done just after the is keyword. The operations to be done by the function and the return statement is enclosed within the begin and end keywords. Let's look into some examples. We will do two examples. In the first example, we will be creating a function without any parameters. Here our function name is hello world, and it will return a string, so return type is varchar2. It will return hello world whenever it is called. Let's execute the program. Function created. So now let's call this function in another program. Let's execute the program. This is our output. Moving to the next example. In this example, we will be creating a function with parameters. Here, our function name is area. It has two parameters, a and b, of number type. It will return a number, so return type is number. Let's execute the program. Function created. So now let's call this function in another program. We will store the value returned by area function in the variable c, and then print the value of c. Let's execute the program. This is our output. Hope you have understood the topic discussed. Practice some more types of functions with different types of parameters. Thank you.